Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you 10-inch Piggyback Headrest DVDs installed on a Mercedes ML 2015. So we're using the NESA 10-inch Piggyback Headrest. System is connected to the vehicle power ignition. We have on the side of the system here, we have USB input, HDMI, SD card. We also have a CD which is in the back. We can use wireless headphones or hardwired headphones. System very high resolution, and in this case you can watch two separate movies, one on each side, and you can also connect them to each other, so you can watch one movie in both. We have the camera, as you can see, even from a side look, a very good resolution, so you don't have to worry about not seeing well if you're looking from the side, if you're not exactly centered. Headrest DVDs for different vehicles can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.